Today we're going to take a look at how you can set up a screensaver on your Mac. All we want to do is go to the system settings. Once we're in our system settings, we'll see here we have a few different options. First, we're going to have to go to our lock screen. I'm going to have to enable our screensaver to start. So I have mine here set screensaver from when active for 20 minutes. So here you have that. You can set your option there. And the next option you're going to have to set is your screensaver itself. So we click the screensaver option in the left hand side. And here we can select what different screensaver we want. It's pretty cool. We have some different options here. I currently have the drift option. And if we click the options, we also can pick the colour, because the desktop means it's going to have the colours based on the background. We can also pick like a spectrum effect, and if we click OK, we can also preview our screensaver here. As you see, there's our screensaver working. If we just escape from that, we can come back to here. We can also have some different ones, as you can see here. You just have to select the different options, and then these will be the ones that play. So that's how you set a screensaver on your Mac. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.